Hey students, my good students, we are going to be looking at a question under probability. We are going to see how we can construct and analyze outcome table. Okay, so this is the question below in green. Two fair dice were tossed. Find the probability of getting. We have them from 1 to 5. That is what we are going to be doing now. So the first thing is for us to have our table, which I'm going to construct as below. So let's start with the construction of the table. Solution. We have a straight line, vertical, then also we have a horizontal straight line. So since we have our table, let's fill it in. Now, you hope you know what a die is. Okay, it has 6 faces, right? So in the faces, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. Since there are 2, this is the first one, okay? Then the second one, this is the first die. Then this is the second die. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same thing goes to a die being tossed twice, okay? The same table. So therefore, in this case, if you toss the first one, you can get 1 and 1. You can get 1, 2. You can get 1, 3. That is the meaning. You can get 1, 4. You can get 1, 5. Or you can get 1, 6. Okay, so you continue. Here is going to be 2, 1. All right, and we can have 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, or 6, 6. These are the possibilities you can have when it is being tossed twice. Okay, now if you check in the question, the first one said talked about sum, but in this case we are not talking about sum. We don't have sum in this. So if I were you, I can insert this. Now, the sum of 1 and 1, of course, in this case is 2. The sum of 2 and 2 is 3. Then this is 4, and this is 5. This is 6. This is 7. The sum of this is 3. Now you can see it's following a progression, okay? So I don't have to stress myself. I will always get it, all right? So you can see the progression. So I have, in this table, we have first analytical way of showing maybe 1 1 1 2. Then we have the sum, okay, what the 2 digits will sum to. So we have it. So the first question we ask is probability of getting a sum of 9. Now you can actually get a sum of 9. Now you have to go to the table. Sum of 9, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, you have 4. Out of what? Out of 36. So we have 4 that will give us sum of 9 out of 36. So Roman figure 1, the probability of sum of 9 will be 4 over 36, which is 1 over 9. So it's as simple as that. No problems. Very easy. Then let's go. The next one says a sum of less than 6. A sum of less than 6. So we have to come to this place. Now less than 6 means 6 downward. So if you check less than 6, look at from this line. Okay, from this line, look at it. From this line, less than 6, less than 6 from this line. So we are going up. So anything 5 and below. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 of it. So therefore, probability of less than 6 is going to be 10 out of 36, which is 5 over 18. So it's as simple as that. Then the next one, a sum of prime number. A sum of prime number, meaning you have the sum must be a prime number or prime in nature. So let's pick the prime numbers that are here. Now the prime numbers that are here, remember 1 is not a prime number. In fact, no sum of 1, so we don't even have a problem with that. So let's go. We know 2, we know 3, we know 5, we know 7, and that is all. Okay, so we start. We count it now. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Just take your time and count it. I think when you count it, you are going to get Roman figure 3, probability of sum of a prime. you get that there are 15 of them. So it's going to be 15 all over 36. And of course, we know that 3 can go here, 5 over, that is 5 over 12. So that is the answer. Not hard, not difficult. Then the next one says 2 perfect squares. 2 perfect squares. Okay. Now 1 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. That is within 1 to 12, because you see the highest of the sum, or the highest is 6. So we'll just pick 1 on 1. Okay, so we have this is a perfect square, 1 on 1. So I have it here. Then I have which one again is a perfect square? 4 and 4 is a perfect square. Can I get where's 4 and 4? Okay, 4 and 4 is a perfect square. I said these are the only 2 perfect squares that we have here. Okay, so there are just 2 of them. So we come here, Roman figure 4, probability of 2 perfect squares, which is going to be 2 out of 36 of them, which is going to be 1 over 18. So we're done with that. Then let's move to 2 even numbers. 2 even numbers. Okay, we know even numbers. I think this is very simple. You can get it. It means we have to have 2, 2, 4, 4, and 6, 6. All right, that is what we need. And maybe 2, 4, and all those ones, they are even numbers too. So let's just count it. You can take your time and count it. Okay, so counting it, you're going to have just 9 of them. So we are going to have a probability of 2 even numbers. They're just 9. So you have 9 all over 36, which is 1 over 4. So this question is actually a very simple question. Okay, so thank you for watching. Just keep watching it, and I believe you are going to get better understanding. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe.